Tack Shop Wednesday. What's up, family? We're rocking and rolling today. I say it all the time. We're rocking and rolling, and we are rocking and rolling. New Year's off to a good start. Doing good. Finished up 2023 good, and all was wonderful. Set some new goals for 2024, some big ones. We'll see if we can reach them. That's exciting. Kind of a new, fresh start for me. I've been diving off into the business, into this deal. Got some help, as some of y'all probably know. And it's good. It's really exciting to see what all going to happen. Got a different deadline this year for TCA. It is July 1st. It's always been August 1st. Now, I know that's only 30 days. Uh-oh.
What's happening, everybody?
Eli done lost it. What'd you lose?
The buckle.
He's working on the buckle and lost it. Uh-oh. Look at there.
Dre, you got it?
Dre, you got the buckle? Tell him, Dre. What is it? We're back. Oh. Everybody come in. No, what was I telling you? Yeah, deadline, July 1st. That's only 30 days, but man, I can put a crunch on a guy. So, for TCA, when I'm talking about, this is our 25th show. I'm going to talk about it now, talk about it next week. I may talk about it every week up to October. Y'all put it on your calendars. I think it's not October this year. It may be move the dates up just a little bit, a week or two. It used to be the second weekend in October always, and so now I think it's going to be maybe the first weekend in October or the last weekend in September. We don't have to worry about the exact dates yet. We're coming. They're coming. But my deadline is 30 days earlier. So working in a way, we got them in the vise. There it is right there. Oh my gosh. Have I been out of focus this whole time? Probably. That's not going to be good. I may have to get Eli in here to do the rest of it. There's my shank. Tribute to my old mentor and dad, number 2, Greg Darnell. This is a Loomis, on the Loomis shank design. Eli, you're going to be cameraman. You do the cameraman, because I done got that focus thing, so now it's all going to be jacked up. This is a tribute to my mentor and dad, number 2, Greg Darnell. It's on his Loomis shank. Top ring, bottom ring, mouthpiece placement, that'll all be there. Built a little differently. We got it on flat steel, but away we're going to go. We have all kinds of fun things going on. We have grapes and grape leaves and silver and gold and sculpting and just lots of fun stuff. So as we progress along, I'll be doing that. I did a video a while ago on an application that I do to the top and bottom rings, and how I file it. I did that on Patreon. Patreon's going good. Added went a little up on the price on Patreon. It's $25 a month. You get for the pro cards. That's $25 a month. You'll get a video every day we're in the shop. So lots of value there. There's over 400 videos on Patreon right now, and I just had a good friend, Riley Desiato, called me today, and she said, if I'd have known it was that easy, I'd have done this 6 months ago, a year ago. So there's tons of information. So I'm glad she's liking and following all that, and I think it is for you, will be for you too. I think there's lots there. If you're a bit and sperm maker, or you know what, anybody that just likes to see how this stuff happens. They're not long videos. Some of them not as long as this here Workshop Wednesday. But anyhow, all good. Podcast rock and rolling. We had Craig Roman on this week. He's a videographer and lots of cool stories. We kind of got philosophical and stuff on that one. But anyhow, Carrie should have done most of the talking if we're going to be philosophical. Y'all be good. We will see y'all next week. And if we need something between now and then, y'all holler at me. And see you soon. Adios.